If you love comfort food but want something fancy, beef bourguignon is your new best friend. Let's cook up some magic. First, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat your beef in flour like it's getting a spa treatment. Heat some oil in a pan and fry up shallots and bacon until they're golden brown and irresistible. Toss them into a casserole dish. Next, brown your beef on all sides. Into the casserole it goes. Optional but fun, add a splash of brandy and set it alight. When the flames calm down, add wine, bring it to a boil, then let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Mix in stock, tomato puree, garlic granules, thyme, pepper, bay leaf, and our herby bouquet garni. Cover and bake for 1 1/4 hours. Add mushrooms and cook for 45 more minutes until the meat's tender. Taste, adjust the seasoning, and ditch the bay leaf and bouquet garni. Serve with creamy mashed potatoes to soak up all that saucy goodness, and voila! Your perfect beef bourguignon is ready to impress. Bon appétit!
Forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.